Hi guys, welcome back in this new video and I hope you will find. And this is my Infinix Hot 12 device, and this device is based on Android 12. All themes and all UI system changes are available on our channel, and this is the new theme look of our Android phone. So you can easily install this look on your Android phone by following the video. Theme is password protect, so please don't skip the video.
So guys, first of all, this is my Infinix Hot 12 and my phone is Infinix Hot 12. This phone is based on Android 12 and XOS version is 10.6.0. So this theme is apply on any Android phone with the help of HiOS launcher and XOS launcher. So you need to install this launcher on Play Store. Open the Play Store and search the XOS launcher. XOS launcher for the Infinix devices, and the second launcher is Techno devices launcher, HiOS launcher. So this launcher is based on Techno devices, and you need to install some extra applications on your Android phone to change the look. Maybe this application not any crashed on your phone and any damage. This is only one of best application for zip unzip application. Okay, so search Z Achiever. Z Achiever application is here. You can easily install on from Play Store. Okay, so the next step is go to Z Achiever application and okay, allow the permissions. And the second step is go to Chrome browser, and this link is available in the comment box or description. Files automatically download when you open this link, and the file is download successfully. Okay, 2.58 MB file size. And the next step is refresh your RAM and go to Z0 application. Go to download folder. This is same files because I have already download a theme file and UI file. Okay, so guys, extract the file with the video, so don't skip any part of this video. After decompress, this folder is available and open it. You can see UI file and notch wallpaper. This notch wallpaper is available. So in my case, my phone have not any notch, so this theme is based on notch wallpaper. Okay, so copy the gth file. This is the main file of theme, and go back and find the theme folder in internal storage and open it and go to dive folder. So in my case have not theme folder because I will create this theme folder. You need not to create theme folder in internal storage. You need to search officially theme folder. So in my case theme folder is not available in internal storage. If your case available the theme folder in internal storage, go to theme and dive and paste here, and after go to your theme store and apply it. So the second step is go to file and copy again this file. Okay, after copy, go to Android data and allow the permissions. Use this folder, allow, and search the your launcher name. Okay, this is my launcher name, transaction XOS launcher upgrade. Okay, open it, file, die and theme. I will paste in die folder. Okay, and paste here. I am not pasted because I have already pasted. Okay, so this work is complete, and you need to find the high theme and X theme application in this launcher. The high theme and X theme application is available in this launcher. Open the X theme application and go to local folder and all the theme links are available, sorry, all the theme videos playlist available on I button and description. Okay, so you can easily watch it. And this is the latest theme, Vivo V23 series 2, and this theme is based on notch wallpaper. Okay, click on apply button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. And the next, our theme is applied successfully. Our device look is very beautiful. I hope you will like this theme. So in my case, I have already setting all applications. Okay, oh sorry, all home screen view. This is already set up. You can easily set up from one click in widgets, and all these things is available in this widgets tab. Okay, go to menu and most recent use applications enable, and this is folders available in the home screen and menu. And other settings, turn off all things because it shows ads only. And the appearance settings, you can change icon size 100, 100 and back. Home screen style classic large folder, and icon column within a folder. The your view in vertical, you click on horizontal and your home view is beautiful and not any ad. So if you guys like this video, so don't forget to like it, and if you subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it, and maybe you can watch the password in the video, and any mistake for sorry.